I'm taking a look at several ZGCine battery solutions that help keep my entire filmmaking setup powered throughout the day. Whether it's my mirrorless cameras, video lights, extended monitors, or other accessories, these batteries provide reliable, long-lasting power while reducing downtime from swapping batteries. The ZGCine ZGH110 battery handle can be used as a top handle or a bottom handle grip and has a built-in 110 watt battery. This USB-C has a PD delivery of to 140 watt input and output. It's one of the fastest that's possible out there for a battery handle. The D-Tap supports 14.8 volt to 22 volt output and features a bright OLED display to monitor battery status in real time, with 1/4 inch mounting points on the bottom, top, and side. It's easy to attach accessories while keeping your camera rig compact and balanced for handheld filmmaking. Super fast charge your gimbal, laptop, and other gears that need instant charging at your video gigs. The ZGH50 mini battery 50 watt handle is a perfect size to make it into a side camera handle. You can also use it as a bottom handle as well. It has an OLED display, USB-C with 64 watt output and input for fast PD charging, 14.8 volt D-Tap output, and with a 1/4 inch holes on the bottom, side, and the top, you can add all kinds of accessories. A lot of the mini video lights like the Cobra W100 light needs external power. The ZGCine battery handles are perfect to power any video lights and help make it last throughout your whole video gig. It can also be mounted on the bottom of a gimbal to power both your gimbal and your camera, also making it an extended handle grip as well. The ZGV99 V-mount battery is a 99 watt 68 milliamp with PD fast charging battery. You can charge this battery with a 45 watt fast charger through the USB-C, and that outputs 5 volt to 20 volt power. Using this small rig mount, you can cinema rig out your camera with this combo and make your camera look very professional. The MP-F970 battery is a great replacement for the Sony MP batteries. You can charge this battery with a 36 watt USB-C, and that outputs up to 20 volt fast charging. It has a 8.4 volt D-Tap output as well. This adapter mounts on your camera and makes the camera last all day. I love how small this rig setup is. All the ZGCine batteries are great for fast charging your laptop, phones, and any electronics. I highly recommend them. They're one of the best in its class and very affordable. I got all the links below.